Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another HTML tutorial. In this video we will be going over the Marquee element. So let's just add this in just to see what it does firstly. So let's just add it in. So we go Marquee just like this. Then obviously we have to close this now as well. So we go Marquee. Now we can insert any any kind of text now in here. So let's go with hello world. Now, what does this element actually do? We'll see now. If I refresh this, you can see that there's this text, and it just goes from right to left. And so that's all that does. So we can add a bit of CSS onto this. So we can go with, we'll do style, for example, and we can change. Let's say we change the background of this. Let's say we change it to what's nice color, blue. Let's also change the color of it, so just the text color. Change this to green. Let's change the height and the width while we're here. So we'll change the height. Let's do 200 pixels, and then let's change the width to 200 pixels. And save that. Now you can go back into here, refresh this. It's kind of hard to see. Let's change these colors around. So let's change this to blue, and let's change this to green. This should be better for us to see. And yeah, you can see that. You can see this now way better. You can see the text going from right to left, and it looks pretty good now. But there's a couple of other things that we can do with this. We can change the direction, for example. So this isn't part of the style or the CSS. So it'll just be outside of that. So you can see this is where our CSS ends. So it'll be just after. What we can do is we can change the direction. So if we write in direction, now what direction do we want it in? Let's say we just want to go down. Alright, so then we can save that. Let's go back. Now you can see that our element is going from the top all the way to the bottom. So in a downwards direction that we have set here. A couple of other things we can do. We can go scroll. Amount, and let's say we do 11, for example. What this does is, you'll see now when we refresh it, it just goes a bit faster basically. So we go scroll amount. So if we go, say we do this 50, refresh this, it's just way faster now, 50. So we can change the speed of this basically. So let's just set it to 20. I think 20 would be a decent number. Yeah, 20 is a decent number. And then the very last thing that I want to add in, we can add in a behavior. So we can go behavior, and the behavior that I want to show you is the alternate. So the alternate, like this. We save this, go back, and now you can see that the way it works now, before we added this line in, that the text goes from the top to the bottom, and then it just appears at the top now again. But now you can see it goes from the top to the bottom, and then it just bounces. So instead of going from the top to the bottom and then straight back up to the top, it goes from the top to the bottom, back to the top. So that's about it for the Marquee element. Hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.